Whether you just started smoking recently or have been puffing away on cigarettes for years, it's important to be informed about the negative health effects that come with smoking. Cigarettes can cause health problems related to the respiratory system, heart and circulation, as well as problems with fertility and pregnancy complications. Unfortunately, many smokers don't realize how bad cigarettes are for their overall health until it's too late. Check out this list of 10 reasons why cigarettes are bad for your health to learn more about the dangers of smoking and kick the habit today. Number 1. Smoking has been linked to lung cancer. Cigarette smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer in the United States. According to the American Cancer Society, smoking is responsible for about 85% of all lung cancer cases in the U.S. Lung cancer is one of the most difficult cancers to treat, and the survival rate is very low. In fact, lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer death in both men and women in the U.S. Smoking cigarettes causes damage to your lungs that can lead to lung cancer. The tar and chemicals in cigarettes cause inflammation and damage to your airways and lungs. Cigarette smoke also contains carcinogens that can damage DNA and lead to cancer. Number 2. Chemicals in smoke can cause heart disease. Cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals, many of which are toxic. One of the most dangerous chemicals in cigarette smoke is nicotine. Nicotine increases your heart rate and blood pressure, which can lead to heart disease. Number 3. Toxins in smoke can damage the lining of your blood vessels. One of the most dangerous things about cigarettes is the amount of toxins they contain. These toxins can damage the lining of your blood vessels, making them more susceptible to disease. Some of the harmful chemicals in cigarette smoke include carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, lead, arsenic, and hydrogen cyanide. These chemicals cause your blood vessels to narrow and harden, which can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. The toxins can also damage the lining of your lungs, making it harder for you to breathe. Cigarettes are terrible for your health and should be avoided at all costs. Number 4. Smoking may increase risks of Alzheimer's and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, and cigarette smoking has been identified as a risk factor for the development of Alzheimer's. In fact, smokers are twice as likely to develop Alzheimer's as non-smokers. The link between smoking and Alzheimer's is thought to be due to the harmful effects of cigarettes on the brain. Cigarette smoke contains over 4,000 chemicals, including arsenic, lead, and mercury, which can damage brain cells and lead to inflammation. Smoking also decreases the levels of important vitamins and minerals in the brain, which are essential for cognitive function. Number 5. The nicotine in cigarettes is addictive. Cigarettes contain nicotine, which is a highly addictive substance. According to the National Institute on Drug Abuse, nicotine is as addictive as heroin or cocaine. This means that smokers have a hard time quitting because they are physically addicted to the nicotine in cigarettes. Number 6. Secondhand smoke can put others at risk for diseases. Cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals, including at least 70 that can cause cancer. Secondhand smoke is the combination of smoke from the burning end of a cigarette and the smoke breathed out by the smoker. It's also called environmental tobacco smoke, ETS, or involuntary smoking. Number 7. Smoking is not fun, even if others enjoy it. Sure, you might see people smoking and think they look cool, but that's just an illusion. In reality, smoking is not fun. It's stinky, it's dirty, and it's just not worth it. Here are 10 reasons why cigarettes are terrible for your health. Number 8. When quitting smoking, there is strong willpower involved. Cigarette smoking is highly addictive. Nicotine is the primary addictive substance in tobacco. Smokers have to be very determined to quit because nicotine withdrawal symptoms can be quite unpleasant. These symptoms include irritability, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, increased appetite, and weight gain. But it's worth it to quit because cigarettes are terrible for your health. Number 9. Stopping tobacco may decrease menstrual pain in women who smoke. While some people are able to quit smoking on their own, others might need professional help. Quitting smoking is a difficult process, and addiction specialists can provide smokers with the tools they need to kick the habit for good. There are a number of methods available to help people quit smoking, including behavioral therapy, medication, and support groups. Number 10. Some people might need professional help quitting. We all know cigarettes are bad for us. They cause cancer, they're addictive, and they're terrible for our health. But did you know that some people might need professional help quitting? Here were 10 reasons why cigarettes are terrible for your health.